channel. Today we're gonna be baking, like baking. This is the flour. I already measured it, and yeah, so I'm going to be making something. I don't even know what the name of the thing is, but I'm going to be baking it. So let's get started. So I'm going to be sitting down for this so my face will be able to show why I'm baking. Well, anyway, this is 101 grams of flour. I measured it, and yeah. So after flour, I'm going to add salt. So I'm going to measure that as well. Yeah. According to the video, it's like an half, but I'm going to add half onto this. So yeah. I don't know if you can see it though, but I'm adding it. After that, like, I wasn't told to add milk flavor according to the video I watched. Yeah. So, but I'm just going to add it anyway because I wanted to have like a milk flavor to it. It's almost finished though. So yeah. I'm going to use the same measurement as the salt. Not really though, I'm just going to add much. So yeah. And I'm going to stir. I'm going to use this to stir because yeah, I just don't know why. So I don't think that this is going to have any flavor, but I was thinking of adding sugar. So let me just go get sugar. So yeah, so this is where we keep the sugar. And I don't think, let me add a little pinch of salt as well. That wasn't measured though. So yeah, I'm going to add sugar. Let's use 1.5. 1.5 teaspoon. I'm not going to level it, but should I? Let me just level it. Leveled. And just little. Yeah. So after adding that, so this is the only spatula I could find. I can't find the other one though that is much smaller. So I just have to just, according to the video, it was 240 grams of flour, but I decided to reduce it because I don't know if the taste is going to be that good. But in the video, nobody actually tasted it, they just made it and the video ended. So I'm just going to see if it's good. So now I'm going to add water. I'm not going to add too much though. Okay. So I'm going to get some flour so I can sprinkle on the table.
Look at it.
Thank you.
Look at your love. Yeah, look at love.
So I can sprinkle on the table. So it won't stick because I'm going to roll it so it can be flat. Yeah, so I'm going to use my hand for this, for the rest.
Noodles. Yeah, correct. That's
I don't want it to be so yucky and just there. And I also don't want it to be dry like the way it is right now. So I just need to add a little. Wait, I don't have the transparent feel one, so I'm going to cover it with this one. According to the video, I just have to cover it. So I'm going to leave it for some time. In the meantime, I need to let me taste it.
Let me test it. Let me test it. Let me test it. It's not sweet too. It's not sweet.
A few moments later.
Okay. After that, after leaving it some time, it's time to roll it. So yeah. It's so small. It's so small. So okay. Let's sprinkle the table first. Okay.
You look like frog.
So I'm to do it like this, then I'll divide it. Into, in the video it was 7, mine is going to be
She.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah. And I'm to roll it.
A few moments later.
So I have done the rest. I've left it for, and it's time to roll. But in the action video where I learned this recipe from, they used like a candle ruler, like a candlestick, and I don't have that. This is the one I have, so I'm going to use it. So I've left this for a long time. It's now sticky. So I'm going to roll it out. I'm going to roll it out. Not to touch the edges, but I don't have butter, but I have oil, so I put some oil here. So I'm going to use my fingers to put the oil. So yeah.
Look like red. Look like red and blue.
So I'll have to roll it. Roll.
I want to roll it by yourself.
Yeah. Okay. So roll. Then have to roll it again. Yeah. So I'll keep it. So actually, I have done the rest off camera because my battery died. So I did the rest off camera. So I'm going to roll them out again.
Tara, are you tired? Are you tired?
So I'm going to roll it out.
I'm really tired.
It's the final dish. Don't ask why it's no longer 5. Something happened. So I sprinkled the sugar on top because it was kind of tasting like just crackers, and yeah, I just tasted a little bit empty. So yeah, and that's the food. Very empty. Look at this one. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.